What's up, big buck? Big buck, big buck. Come on, bro. I still. Oh my god, I still got chance, bro.
What's going on, fella? Do it.
No, he ran over me. He ran over me. That was...
Wow! Kill him, kill him. Nice. No, behind you.
No way. There's no fucking way.
Oh, they not down. You're cracking.
There's a way. Trust me. There's always a way.
Enemy dropping into the AR. We're back on station. Go down. Got contact.
What?
No idea.
You have reinforcements inbound. Stand by for redeployment. Enemy UAV is on.
You motherfucker hiding over here.
Go get your revenge.
Ready for launch.
Got contact. FOB, danger close. Over. Incoming LBBR. Your squad made it to the safe zone. You're losing ground. Moving. Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area.
Hey, they at bio. Of course, I'm pretty sure y'all know that. I just put a strike over there.
Squad mates back on station.
Father, show me I'm improved. Hey, y'all looking at me.
The rest of them.
This is helping me.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy advanced UAV overhead. 25 remain. Solid work so far. You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy dropping into the AO. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Hostile UAV in the area.
This, what the fuck?
Standing. The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
Open the door again. Close. Be there. What's the door, bro? Damn, bro. Well, I thought I'm gonna go demon mode. It's what I gear.
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment.
None bogus. Dishwasher. What?
All stations, green light. We're deploying.
No time to react, bro. Nice that.
Resurgence. Stay alive.
Let's hit the cells in. Let's hit the cells in.
Precision airstrike available.
Requesting closer. Target marked.
Enemy destroyed. Attack map to hunt down the rest of them. Good effect on target. Enemy UAV overhead. Loadout drop headed your way. Your squad mates are alive. Contact complete. Dropping into the area. Watch the side. Kill confirmed. Hostiles UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online.
Oh, dang it.
That's better. Needs recon overhead. Enemy movement in the AO.
left. Keep up the good work.
Enemy movement.
You have reinforcements inbound.
SDR awaiting target data.
The squad mate left the AO. Will reduce your redeployment time.
Battlespace full, cannot comply. That's a negative. Battlespace is full.
Enemy UAV is online.
Negative. Battlespace full.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. 16 rounds. Out. Enemy UAV overhead. Target grid empty. Negative BDA.
Enemy movement in the area.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Inbound.
Hostile UAV.
Fuck you, bitch.
Back on station. Go get off. Enemy UAV overhead. Fire sale is active. Fire station prices are adjusted. Climb off the path. Secure those locations.
UAV available for tasking.
Requesting recon flyover.
Enemy UAV is online. You've got a loadout drop inbound. Get ready. Resurgence will go into mountain close. Priority tasking request received. We're done. Hostile UAV in the area.
Standing by.
Need recon overhead.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Enemy UAV is online. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Mission timeline expired. UAV exiting the AO.
Fire sales over. Adjusting prices. Hostile UAV in the area.
These motherfuckers.
Resurgence has been deactivated.
Yo, I changed my date and time and it still doesn't work, bro. Like, I cannot even talk. Let me try again. Let me try again. Hopefully this time it's work. I don't know why it's blurry, bro. What the fuck? Wait, let me see something. Oh. Let me see something. Oh fuck, because of this. Hopefully it's worked.
Yeah, just really strong.
Oh, she snapped. Yeah, yeah. They're just thinking about.
Oh, I gotta turn on the gun mode. Oh my god, ever good.
Fucking ambulance back to the hospital because my foot was fucking dangling and the fucking road was fucking bumpy as shit. Like the fucking road, we went out fucking West Lane looking and holy fuck, the road was bad.
Yo, let's go to the same place. That's where we're gonna land every time.
Fire station right here.
Okay.
Do you hear me, Louis?
Alright.
Alright, let's go to the buy station over there. That's our spot. Every time. No, don't go over there, bro. Let him go over there, let him go over there. Let's get the money and get the loadout. It's pretty fast around here.
Yeah, it's a big money here, man.
Here, what the fuck? Okay, man, I'm a hero.
Back on my feet. I'm good. Hard choice letting me live.
Almost there, yo.
Enemy UAV overhead.
What? I got money.
Oh, a little bit more.
SDR ready for launch. Unable to task. Battle space is full.
Time of flight 5 seconds. Out.
Alright, we getting by now.
Yeah.
Available for task.
Money.
Busting recon flyover.
Money, please. Give me money, Louis.
Target grid strong. No casualties. Friendly loadout drops on the way. UAV is diesel fuel. Returning to base.
Yeah, what else is there?
LDVR inbound. Enemy UAV is online.
That's better.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online. Squad's in the safe zone. Got gas moving in.
Let's go fight over there. Break. What the fuck? Yo.
Marking LVBR target.
Ain't no fucking way, bro.
Stand by for me. Squad mate back on station. Good work.
Got contact.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Hey, one line. Yeah. Ain't no way, bro. You a bitch.
Enemy movement in the AO.
Nice, bro.
Go get your revenge.
Hey, another one landed. Right there. Oh, the whole squad, bro. Fuck.
Fight medical.
Yeah, I landed at the wrong time, bro.
Mm.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free.
I know, bro.
Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the area. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. All squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Enemy marked. Enemy movement.
Remaining. The enemy lost track of you. Good work down there.
Oh my gosh, is she really awake? Wow, okay, right on me.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map.
Hostiles.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Target remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Move it.
Yeah, this guy, dude.
Use your tag map to hunt down the rest of them.
Enemy movement with the AO.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy deployed an advanced UAV. Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six. Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is moving. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal. Five squads still operational in the AO.
Yeah.
Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy UAV is online.
Con pistolita, mentito. Maldita vaina del día.
Enemy UAV overhead. Incoming LVBR. Hostile UAV in the area.
Don't worry, I've got you.
Outside the safe zone. UAV's online.
Lo. Tayo.
Set tight.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Tawa.
Alright guys, I'm gonna take a little break.
Less than 10, we're still standing.
Same team.
DB rewind.